Vehicles names. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. A skid loader or skid steer loader is any of a class of compact heavy equipment with lift arms that can attach to a wide variety of buckets and other labor-saving tools or attachments. Motor grader. Motor grader. Motor grader. The grader, also known as motor grader or road grader, is described as heavy-duty machine designed with a long blade that is used in different industry sectors. Graders are most commonly used in civil construction, roadworks, and on mining sites for creating smooth and flat surfaces. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. A cement truck, often referred to as a cement mixer, is a heavy-duty vehicle used in the construction industry. They carry ready-mixed concrete to building or construction sites. The mixer truck features a mixing drum and specialized mixing mechanisms. Concrete is mixed inside the rotating drum. Cold planer. Cold planer. Cold planer. Cold planers are asphalt milling machines that remove pavement or concrete from driving surfaces. Cold planers can also be known as pavement planers, pavement recyclers, mill or asphalt milling machines, or roto-mills. Cold planers are widely used for pavement recycling. Paver. 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 A paver is a piece of construction equipment used to lay asphalt concrete or Portland cement concrete on roads, bridges, parking lots, and other such places.